Before we begin, make sure you are wearing the right safety gear for the site you are working on and tools you are using. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a second pair of hands depending on the size and weight of the product, 3 variations for sliding window locks, Queensland Sash Lock, part number 105097, Queensland Sash Catch, part number 108660, Sash Lock and Bump Stop, part number 109530. To begin, stand on the inside of the house. You will firstly need to remove the internal sash. Make sure the security block in the head is out of the way. Then, hold the sash on both sides and lift it up into the head, before tilting the bottom out towards you until the whole sash can be removed. Place the sash upside down and remove the end cap from the top of the lock style. Lever the style away from the glass slightly, no more than 2 mm, to ensure the sash lock can clear the rail. Do not separate further than 2 mm or the rubber surrounding the glass could come loose. Slide the old sash lock off the lock style. Option 1. Queensland Sash Lock. After sliding the old sash lock off the aluminium lock style, slide the replacement old sash lock on and screw the end cap back on. Option 2. Queensland Sash Catch. After sliding the sash catch off the aluminium lock style, slide the replacement sash catch on and screw the end cap back on. Option 3. Sash Lock. After sliding the old sash lock off the aluminium lock style, snap the new sash lock into position, screw the end cap back on. It is recommended that you also fit the sash rubber stopper to protect the sash lock when in operation. This gets fitted on the fixed jam side of the transom or sill junction. You will need to fit the internal sash back into the window